Planning to go all out this Halloween, but want something unique and iconic? Looking for Jack Skellington Halloween decoration ideas that capture the magic of the nightmare before Christmas? Curious how to turn your home into a Halloween town masterpiece without breaking the bank? Or maybe you're searching for fun DIY Jack Skellington decor ideas that mix creepy and cute in perfect balance? Then you're in the right place, because today we're diving into 15 creative ways to bring the Pumpkin King himself into your Halloween setup. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where creativity meets celebration. In today's video, we're bringing you Jack Skellington Halloween decor inspiration that works for both indoor and outdoor setups. From pumpkins and porch decor to party ideas and DIY projects, let's make this Halloween one to remember. Why is Jack Skellington such a popular Halloween theme? Jack Skellington combines spooky and stylish like no one else. His classic black and white design, stitched grin, and gothic charm make him perfect for both creepy and elegant setups. It's a timeless theme that appeals to both kids and adults. How can I decorate my front yard with Jack Skellington ideas? Start with a Jack Skellington inflatable or animatronic figure as your main feature. Add black garlands, tombstones, and hanging lanterns to set the mood. Finish with glowing pumpkins or zero the ghost dog props to bring the Halloween town vibe to life. If you love outdoor Halloween magic, like and share this video to inspire your spooky-loving friends. What are some DIY Jack Skellington Halloween decor ideas? For DIY Jack Skellington decor, paint white pumpkins with Jack's iconic grin, create a spiral hill backdrop from cardboard, or craft your own "This is Halloween" banner. These projects are affordable and perfect for both kids and adults. How do I decorate indoors with Jack Skellington Halloween decor? Bring the Pumpkin King inside with black and white striped table runners, framed Nightmare Before Christmas prints, and candlelight. Add a few figurines, spooky mugs, and themed throw pillows for a cozy yet eerie indoor vibe. Would you decorate your home with a cute Jack theme or a spooky Gothic setup? Tell us your vibe in the comments. What's the best way to decorate my porch with Jack Skellington style? For a show-stopping porch, mix Jack Skellington wreaths, striped pumpkins, and hanging bats. A welcome to Halloween town sign and flickering lanterns will turn your entryway into a fan-favorite trick-or-treat stop. Are there cute Jack Skellington Halloween decoration ideas? Yes! Try mini plush jacks, pastel pumpkins with stitched smiles, or cute Jack Skellington ornaments for a friendly look. This softer aesthetic is perfect for families and cozy interiors without losing that Halloween feel. Love themed decor? Check out the playlist in the description for more cute and spooky decorating inspiration. What are the best Jack Skellington yard ideas for Halloween 2025? Create a full Jack Skellington Halloween yard setup with a giant inflatable, spooky fence lights, and glowing pumpkins. Add Sally or Oogie Boogie cutouts for a complete Nightmare Before Christmas cast effect. What are some Jack Skellington pumpkin decorating ideas? Paint pumpkins white and draw Jack's stitched grin using black acrylics or markers. You can also carve a classic Jack face and use LED lights for a glowing effect. Mixing carved and painted pumpkins adds variety to your display. Want more Halloween 2025 decor ideas? Don't forget to subscribe for weekly creative inspiration. How can I decorate a Halloween party with a Jack Skellington theme? For a Jack Skellington party decor, use striped tablecloths, skeleton centerpieces, and themed cupcakes. Add fog machines, hanging bats, and This Is Halloween music for a movie-style experience your guests will love. What are some ideas for Jack Skellington indoor setups? Use small details like Jack Skellington mugs, throw blankets, or wall decals to create subtle themed corners. A Nightmare Before Christmas clock or pillow set makes any living space feel festive without being over the top. Want more ideas for every room? Check the related videos in the description for decor inspiration across your entire home. How can I make a Jack Skellington wreath for Halloween? DIY a wreath using black and white ribbons, plastic roses, and a foam Jack face centerpiece. It's easy, inexpensive, and instantly recognizable. Add spider webs or LED string lights for extra flair. What's trending in Jack Skellington Halloween 2025 collections? Stores like Home Depot and Costco are featuring new Jack Skellington animatronics and inflatables this year. Some even talk or sing. These pieces make great yard centerpieces for collectors and fans. How can I make my Jack Skellington decor look elegant, not just spooky? Focus on a black, white, and silver color palette. Add touches of velvet, candles, and vintage-style frames. The result? Gothic elegance that feels timeless yet festive, like a classy version of Halloween Town. How do I include Jack Skellington in my fireplace or mantle decor? Use black candlesticks, skull garlands, and a framed picture of Jack above the mantle. Add white pumpkins and cobwebs for texture. It becomes the perfect centerpiece for your indoor Halloween setup. If you're loving these ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love Halloween as much as Jack loves Sally. How can I turn my entire home into a Jack Skellington-inspired space? Tie everything together with a consistent theme. Striped fabrics, pumpkins, skeletons, and glowing lights. Mix DIY crafts with store-bought pieces for balance. Each room can represent a scene from The Nightmare Before Christmas, turning your home into a whimsical, spooky wonderland. Jack Skellington isn't just a Halloween icon, he's a style statement. Whether you go for DIY decor, yard inflatables, or a full Nightmare Before Christmas house setup, the Pumpkin King brings charm, nostalgia, and personality to every corner. This Halloween, let your creativity shine and turn your home into your very own Halloween town. If you love these Jack Skellington Halloween decoration ideas, hit like and share this video with your fellow Halloween fans. What's your favorite setup? Porch, yard, or full house? Tell us in the comments. Explore more themed decorating ideas in the Halloween playlist linked below. Subscribe now for weekly Halloween 2025 decor inspiration and DIY tutorials. Check the description for related videos on Nightmare Before Christmas themes, pumpkin crafts, and spooky room decor.